to say what is going to be U and what is going to be dV. If you have no idea, you will have to come and ask me. But I can tell you, the more you practice, the more you will get a feel for it. One rule of thumb I will give you is that if you have powers of x, you really want to differentiate those out. That is one rule I can tell you. I can assure you that the problem with this integration by parts is going to be this. That is the problem. What is U and what is dV? Now, recognize that U is being differentiated and dV is being integrated. That is how my calculus teacher told me. So the thing that you want to differentiate is U, and the thing that you want to integrate is dV. The thing that you want to differentiate is hopefully going to decrease your complexity. That is the first rule of thumb I will give you. The second rule of thumb is that if you don't know how to integrate it, that is going to be U. Again, if you don't know how to integrate it, don't let it be dV. That is another rule of thumb. It's a very important rule. If you don't know how to integrate it, don't call it dV. Because dV is what we're integrating. For example, here's a problem. We want to find the antiderivative problem. The question is, what do you want to integrate there, and what do you, well, by the way, we want to know what is the function that differentiates to that. What is the function that differentiates to that? What is the antiderivative of that? So you will say, well, let's break this up using an integration by parts, and maybe very simple. The question is, what do you want to differentiate, and what do you want to integrate? Who wants to differentiate the ln x and integrate the x cubed? Raise your hand. Who wants to integrate the ln x and differentiate the x cubed? What's the integral of ln x? I'll ask you again, Ms. Holt. What is the integral of ln x? Quick. The integral of ln x. Ms. Holt is going to tell us what the integral of ln x is. Quickly. She said 1 over x. She did say that. But I know she's wrong, because the derivative of 1 over x is derivative of, derivative of 1 over x is, derivative of 1 over x is negative 1 over x squared. Not right. Anybody know the antiderivative of ln x? You have to do integration by parts to find it. But nobody here, I think, knows how to integrate ln x. So when it comes to doing an integration by parts, you do not want to let that be dV. You really want to differentiate it. I think Ms. Holt knows what the derivative of ln x is. Ms. Holt, what is the derivative of ln x? 1 over x. But the antiderivative of ln x is not 1 over x. That's a completely different question. Integrate by parts. That one? You're doing shells. You have no interest in integration by parts. What if you have to do a shell that turns out to have an integral and integration by parts? Maybe I don't have an integration by parts. Huh?